The electric parking brake and automatic brake hold features make for great convenience. Whenever parking the vehicle, it's a great idea to put on the parking brake. And it's easy, just lift up on the switch. An indicator in the instrument panel tells you it's engaged. To release the parking brake, step on the brake pedal and push the switch down. The indicator will go off when the brake is released. You can set the parking brake to engage automatically whenever you turn the vehicle off. Here's how. Make sure the power is on and the transmission is in park. Without pressing the brake pedal, lift up and release the parking switch. The red indicator in the instrument panel will come on. Next, pull up and hold the parking brake switch. When you hear beeping, release the switch and then immediately pull up and hold the switch again. When you hear 2 more beeps, release the switch. The automatic feature is activated. After activating the automatic feature, you can temporarily deactivate it when you put your vehicle through a conveyor-type car wash. Brake the vehicle to a stop and shift into neutral. Make sure the adaptive cruise control and automatic brake hold features are turned off. Push the power button to turn the vehicle off, then quickly push down the electric parking brake switch. The automatic parking brake feature will remain deactivated until the vehicle is restarted and shifted out of neutral. Now let's look at using the automatic brake hold feature. First, make sure the driver's seatbelt is fastened. Then, push the brake hold button. An indicator will come on in the digital instrument cluster. Now, when you brake to a halt with sufficient brake pressure, such as at stoplights or in heavy traffic, and lift your foot off the pedal, the brakes will remain engaged and a hold indicator will come on until you press the accelerator. And to turn the automatic brake hold back off, just press the brake hold button again. See your vehicle's owner's manual for even more details. You can download one at mygarage.honda.com.